Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone and have a good time, ladies and gentlemen. Firstly, I would like to thank to Allah that has given us everything, so this time we can be here and do our activity. I also want to thank to the lecturer and all of you for this great opportunity. Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce ourselves. I'm Zila Zafira as a moderator and a speaker. And my partners are Anissa Soleha, Rizka Awalia, and Friska Della. They are our speaker. And we are from group 3. So, our topic is new orientation of education technology in chemistry. We are going to review the article. So the first title of the article is Developing Integrated and Teaching Capacity Following STEM Educational Orientation for Pedagogical Chemistry Students. Second, Modern Education for Reverse Technology Chemistry Lesson. And third, Exploring View of Nature of Science and Technology Pre-Service Chemistry Teachers. Okay, the first article review will be explained by Zilal Zafira. Okay, first, the identity of the article. The title is Developing Integrated and Teaching Capacity Following STEM Educational Orientation for Pedagogical Chemistry Students. This journal from American Journal of Education Research with volume 9 number 4. The year of the publication of the journal is 2021. The writers are An Dang Thi Tuan, Du Nguyen Mao, and Tin Trin Lee. The reviewers are Zilal Zafira, Anissa Soleha, Rizka Awalia, and Friska Della. And we review this journal on the 18th September 2021. The purpose of the research. In a practical teaching currently, due to being trained to teach a single subject, the integrated teaching capacity using STEM educational orientation of high school teacher is still limited. Not only about the content of integrated teaching knowledge you understand educational orientation, but also about the organization of the teaching process. So that, this study aims to develop the integration of teaching capacity through the orientation of STEM educational towards chemistry teachers in Vietnam. The subject of the research are 104 chemistry teacher in high school in Dang Ngoc Province, 76 chemistry teacher in Tua Tien Hu Province, 112 chemistry teacher in Tai Nguyen Province, the school years 2018 until 2019 and 2019 until 2020 with a different awareness level of integrated teaching. The method of the research, the method used in the research is descriptive and verification method with quantitative and qualitative approach through questionnaire before and after implementing integrated teaching. Questionnaire evaluation of integrated teaching topics under STEM educational orientation. Evaluation sheet of the integrated of teaching topics has been developed by students. The result of the research. According to the data, student progress on the designing capacity of integrated teaching topics of University of Education, Hue University, so that its student evaluated in the process of turning integrated teaching capacity for students increased during training time, shown in the ratio of level 3 and 4. The second evaluation is higher than the first one. Analysis of each skill shown that the process in ICT application and the examining and evaluating capacity is integrated teaching is the fastest. This result is explained by pedagogical student capacity to apply ICT. Teaching topics are commented on by teachers and learning material. Students adjust and apply in content development and evaluation. Most of the integrated teaching topics reflect the work plan. The designing and organizing capacity of integrated teaching activities, the examining and evaluating capacity in the integrated teaching, the creativity of students in presentation as well as problems. The data indicate that before the impact, most students don't understand well the concept and knowledge of integrated teaching. But after the impact, when updating the integrated content, was theoretical issues were better perceived. 49% for students even deeply understood, 39.8% based on the research result. The student applied better method and technique and able to design some specific integrated teaching, how to select topics, how to implement a topic as well as activity organized for student and web technique like a tablecloth, puzzle piece technique, 5W1H. This is proven by the difference in the percentage of students at the level of not understanding and understanding but not high. Strength of the research. First, abstract has described the content of entire journal so that make it easier for readers to understand the content of the journal. Second, this journal describes the development of integration and learning capacity following STEM educational orientation for chemistry students and is easy for readers to understand the journal. Third, research results can be used as a reference in learning with STEM orientation. Weakness of the research. Researcher only focus on 5 aspects of integrating learning. So, the conclusion, to successfully implement the renovation of Vietnam High School education program after 2018 with orientation of integrated field under STEM education, the important step is to have teachers with the integrated teaching capacity towards STEM educational orientation. Not only teachers will have an integrated teaching capacity towards STEM education in the implementation of the new program, but also pedagogical schools should be a place to train students after graduation to meet the requirement of integrated teaching towards STEM education. Well, turning our attention now to the second article review and will be explained by Friska Della.
Review Article 2 Healthy Modern Education Pharma Repenson Technology Chemistry Lesson Journal Physics Computer Series Journal EHSN 1691 2020-22 year 2020 Restore, SF and Popopa and LP Peristehepa and AA Propapana and OP Ushab Hevkapa. Review and Zilal Zapira and Anissa Soleha and Rizka Awalia and Priska Della. Date 8 September 2021. The process of the research, purpose of the research and support the needs for the modern education technology blended learning picture classroom in school education. Subject of the research population in study 46 students of organization mixed coherent. Method of the research interactive method, brainstorm method, brainstorming method, in study method. Result increase the level of study internal motivation to study chemistry with the positive expert and using technology in the education process. Strength of the research abstract describes the content of the interjournal show the mixed is for research to understand the content of the journal. The text technology is more flexible and provide great students in the education process, enabling you to form a dynamic and creative environment where students learning to think critically and work together work completely desired. Weakness decisive research. Theory, methodology, and particle problem condense in the research and the excitement of modern science based into the formation and of natural science paradigm and modern pedagogic experiment. I mean, and the formation and the thinking chemistry lesson of the school. Conclusion: natural science education should be focused on the formation of a new person who is the ability to live harmony with the advancement, the study of chemistry and the school in implement and the basis of competence basis and personally or a study in the system of the school. Natural science education, the introduction, the interactive technology in study of the chemistry at the school contribution, the increase in the level of internal motivation of study, the acquisition, the system, new chemist, the chemical chronology, the process of natural scientific thinking. The purpose education technology in thinking chemistry scientific thinking. The purpose education technology in thinking chemistry chemistry for study with the 40-20 the will signify and 3 simplicity the portal passional
Okay, let's move on to the last review article and will be explained by Rizka Awalia and Anissa Soleha.
Okay, thanks moderator. Review article 3, title: Exploring View of Nature of Science and Technology, Pre-Service Semester Teachers. Journal of Science Learning, volume and page is volume 3 and number 1. Years 2019. Writers are Devita Marlina Vanessa, Hernani, Helicity Halimatur. Reviewers are Zila Zafira and me, Anissa Soleha, Rizka Awalia, and the last, Friska Adela. Date 17 September 2021. Okay, next. The purpose of the research. This study aimed to explore the view of the pre-service semester teachers on the nature of science and technology. Subject of the research. This research in the initial stage didactical design research in involving 48 pre-service semester teachers from Sriwijaya University. Method of the research. The described method is used to explain the result of the analysis pre-service teachers VNOST. VNOST questionnaire consists of 8 V questions / statement in the form of 7 multiple choice and 1 essay. 7 multiple choice items require students to choose a statement that fits their view, while one essay item requires students to give their opinion and writing about the difference between science and technology. Data collected for 7 multiple choice questions were analyzed using a frequency distribution or to characterize student view of the nature of science and technology. While description question regarding the general opinions of pre-service semester teachers, difference in science and technology described descriptively. The frequency distribution provide a characterization of view held by pre-service semester, so that student view generally scattered in the realistic category. Almost all students believe that scientific knowledge is a collection of knowledge about the scientific research comply their specific rules. On the other hand, half of the students believe that scientific theory is the simplest.
Okay, next, strengths of the research. Abstract has described the content of the entire journal so that it makes it easier for readers to understand the contents of the journal. There are many tables and figures that can support the understanding of journal readers, and there are also experiments and activities that students can do and very influential for developing scientific literacy skills such as scientific knowledge. Weakness of the research. The article not explain in general the concepts in the description of science and technology, such as principles, laws, theories to explain the life of the scientific view. Next, conclusions. The view held by pre-service semester teacher about the nature of science and technology and NUST is presented in the 1 until 4 table. Result pre-service semester teacher V and UST grouped by 4 categories, namely 1. Table 1 offered the view of pre-service semester teacher to the scientific definition of science, the purpose of science, and the fact of the scholar research. 2. On the table 2 presents view pre-service semester teacher about scientific knowledge and scientific theory. 3. On the table 3 presents the picture of pre-service semester teacher about technological characteristics and the relationship between science and technology. 4. On the table 4 gave a general view pre-service semester teacher about the differences in science and technology. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, if you have questions about our presentation materials, you can submit your question into V-Class discussion forum. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.